Welcome back to my class, students. Students, in the previous video, we discussed the summary of the chapter. That was the discussion of the summary of the chapter. Now we will discuss the read and find out questions. The first read and find out question is, which was left, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? How does the thief think? Means, how does the young boy will think when Anil will react to the theft? As it is described in the chapter by the thief himself, that Anil was an easygoing person, kind-hearted person, and a person who is very affectionate, kind, lovable, who trusts on other, and he also trusts on the young boy, the thief. So when, according to the thief, when Anil will come to know about the theft, he will be sad, not because of the loss of the money that he has been robbed, not because of that fact, because he does not care about the money that much. We have read in the chapter that whenever he gets the money, he just spends the money on his friends. He just goes out and just hang out with his friends and spends the money. So when he will come to know about the theft, according to the thief, he will be sad, but not because the loss of the money, but because of the loss of the trust, because the betrayal, because his trust was deceived, his trust was shattered, uska trust toda gaya tha, his trust has been deceived by the young boy, the thief. So he will be sad, but the reason of the sadness will not be the loss of money. The reason of the sadness will be the betrayal of trust. So this is the answer, I think. And the second question, what does the different reactions of people when they are robbed? As the thief, though he was young, only 15 years old, he himself tells, as we know, the narrator of the this story is thief himself. That's why story starts with I was only 15, I was still a thief. So he himself, he was quite young, though he was only 15 years of age, which is a quite tender age. So when he was only 15, though he was 15, but he was quite experienced. He was an expert thief, fairly successful hand at deceiving and robbing people. So he had a lot of experience. So he, in that small, period of life, only 15 years, he had observed the people's reaction, different reaction of people when they are robbed. So he mentioned in the chapter also, when a greedy man is robbed, when a greedy man has been robbed, he will show fear. एक लालची आदमी को जब आप लूटा जाता है तो उसको डर होता है, पैसे कैसे वो लूटा गया, वो डरा होता है. एंड अ रिच मैन विल शो एंगर. और जब एक अमीर आदमी जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है, उसको जब लूटा जाता है या चोरी होती है तो उसको गुस्सा आता है, उसका पैसा लूटा गया. तो एंड द पुअर मैन विल शो एक्सेप्टेंस. गरीब आदमी के यहाँ जब चोरी होती है या उसे व्हेन a poor man is robbed, he will show acceptance. Acceptance means वो उसे स्वीकार कर लेगा कि उसे लूटा गया है. So this will be the different reaction of the people when they are robbed, according to the thief. Now the third question, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Well, I think yes, of course he realized that he has been robbed because of the wet notes due to the rain. When the thief steals the money and he goes out, and when he realizes his mistake, some reason he comes back and puts the money. Because of the heavy rain, the notes were damp, so he keeps the same damp notes under the mattress. And Anil, when he gives him the 50 rupees note, so at that point of time the thief comes to know that Anil knows that he has been robbed, because the 50 rupees note was damp. नोट वो भीगे हुए थे सारे. तो अनिल को पता चल जाता क्योंकि वो नोट भीगे हुए थे. And when he brought the money, the notes were dry. The notes were dry. They were not damp. So yes, of course, Anil realizes that he has been robbed. So these were the answers of read and find out questions. Students, now let's discuss the textbook questions. The first textbook question is given, what are Hari Singh's reactions? Like this is the first question, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? The question, real question is, I think, this the question. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Hint is given. Students, compare. We have to compare these two. For example, the thought. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thoughts, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. To be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Was something else. What makes him return to Anil? So we have to compare these two thoughts. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Well, we know that when Hari Singh, the thief, when Anil takes him with him and gives him work, he says to him that he would teach him how to write. He would teach him how to write his name. He would teach him how to add in numbers, and soon he would teach him the whole sentences. So when Hari Singh was told by Anil that he would be taught by Anil, so he thought, if when I would become an educated man. So and he says these lines. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve with these later thoughts. So he says at that point of time he was still a thief. In the starting, when he started, before he robs Anil, he was still a thief. So he starts thinking, his mind, who was working as a thief, when Anil says, I would teach you, then he thinks, when I will become an educated man. So एक चोर क्या सोचेगा जिसको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता है? He will think that when I will become an educated man, it will be more easy for me, and what wonders I can achieve when I will be an educated man. So he starts thinking about that, maybe I can copy, if I will know how to write the names, the whole sentences, I will be an educated man, then I can copy other signatures, I can use them in bank, I can rob in that way, and etc. etc. He keep on thinking, because at that point of time he was still a thief. Later on, when Anil, later on, when he works for Anil for almost a month, more than a month, and he decides he will steal, and when he comes back from the station with the damp notes, why? Because he realized that Anil was a very good man. He realizes his kindness. He realizes that Anil is the first man, most trusting man he had ever met. उसने जितने भी लोगों से वो मिला, जितने भी लोगों से काम किया, किसी ने उसके ऊपर भरोसा नहीं किया, but Anil showed trust on him, उसके ऊपर भरोसा दिखाया. How? He gave him the door key. इसने उसे दरवाजे की चाबी दे दी. इससे ज्यादा भरोसा क्या करो, घर की चाबी दे दी. So he showed trust on him, and he tells him that I would teach you, and he taught him. He was teaching him how to write name and all this, and he realizes his kindness, his good nature, his his sympathy towards him, and his trust. So he realizes his mistake. That's why he comes back from the station and returns the money to the Anil. And he later on he says, if you compare, this time he is thinking what education can do when he realized his mistake, that he has broken the trust of Anil. So when he was under the shelter of clock tower, he realized, then he says, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So he realizes that he has done a mistake. If he had been stayed with Anil, he could have taught him, and one day he would have known how to write the whole sentences. He would have become an educated man one day if he had not stolen. He was thinking about this thing. So at that point of time, his thoughts about education changed. When in the starting he thought that when he would be an educated man, he can do wonders in stealing. But now he realizes Anil's goodness, kindness, compassionate. Then he thinks that if I would be an educated man one day, so if I had stayed with Anil, I had not stolen the money, I would have become an educated man and then a respected man. That would have been far better than stealing. It is very simple to steal and it is sometimes very easy to be caught. वो सोच रहा है कि चोरी करना और पकड़े जाना तो बहुत आसान है, लेकिन समाज में इज्जत कमाना, नाम कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है. वो कुछ अलग ही काम होता. So these, yes, of course, the thoughts are different. And what makes him to return? Anil's goodness, kindness, Anil's trust on him makes him to return. He feels bad that he has robbed a man who has shown full trust on him and he has broken his trust. He realizes Anil's goodness forces him to come back. So this was the answer of this question. Now, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employees? Well, in this situation, in the chapter, Anil does not hand over the thief to the police. The reason because he is an easygoing person, kind-hearted. It is given in the starting. He is a very, and apart from, he knew that Anil, the young boy, was making a profit of 1 rupee each from the daily supply. Still, does not say anything to Anil because he knew that Anil was only. Does not say anything to the young boy Hari because Anil knew that if at this age, and he knows about the stealing also because of the notes were because the notes were damp. So at that point of time, if he had handed him over to the police would have treated him very badly in a very harsh manner, and inside the prison, inside the jail, in the company of other criminals who are way ahead. Somebody is murderer, kidnapper, rapist, so many criminals. So in their company, he would have definitely become a perfect thief, hardened thief. So Anil thought, rather than handing him over to the police, I would, just ignore his stealing. And he knew because the thief has returned. So it shows that it is the beginning of the change in him. He has realized his mistake, and that's why it is the beginning of the reformation. उसके बदलाव की शुरुआत हो चुकी है क्योंकि वो वापस आ गया. अगर वो वापस नहीं आया होता तो अनिल कुछ भी नहीं करता, थोड़ा दुखी होता क्योंकि उसका भरोसा टूटा होता. बट Anil knows that he has come back, so there is a beginning of reformation in the thief. So if at this time, if I would hand him over to the police, he would become a perfect thief because of the harshness and the rude behavior of the police, and in the company of other criminals inside the prison, he would definitely become a criminal. So that's why he does not hand him over to the police. And yes, of course, most of the employers would have handed him over to the police because they think that he has stolen, he has broken our trust, so he should be given a punishment. But Anil is a different man. He thinks differently. That's why he does not hand him over to the police. So these were the two questions which we have to write also. Think about it. Now talk about it. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life? Well, most of the people will say that they are only in fiction. In nowadays, nobody likes Anil. You can find more Hari Singh in today's time, but none of people like Anil are none. But I believe that yes, there are people Yes, they are less in numbers. In fact, you know, mm, hardly you will find, but there are people like Anil also in this world. Yes, there are more people like Hari Singh, but there are people like Anil. They do belong in real life. Maybe you will also find few people. Maybe your father is one of them, or maybe his father is like Anil, or my uncle is like Anil. We have to look out for those people. Yes, it is a difficult thing to find such people like Anil in today's world, but I believe yes, they do exist in today's world. And try to find, we can find people like Hari Singh everywhere. The newspapers are filled with their, scams, filled with their news, and it's very difficult to find people like Anil. Very difficult. But yes, they do belong in real life. You can find them. Do you think it is a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? His natural behavior, Anil's natural behavior, that he is an easygoing person, kind-hearted person, and he is a kind of person who earns his money by fits and start. I told you the meaning of fits and start. That's something which is rarely and infrequently, which does not happen on the regular basis. So if you say that my friend earns money by fits and start like Anil in this chapter, that means that person does not earn money regularly. But his basic nature is that he's a very kind man, he's an easygoing person, and he's very compassionate, affectionate, and he's loving and caring. And he's a kind of person whenever he gets the money, he just spends lavishly, squanders it. मतलब वो अपने पैसे जैसे ही वो पैसे आते हैं उनको वो बुरी तरह से खर्च कर देता है अपने दोस्तों के ऊपर. So I don't think that this explains his behavior because his natural. If he had been a struggling writer, he would have been a miser person. मतलब वो कंजूस होता थोड़ा. He would have spent his money wisely. थोड़ा दिमाग से खर्च करता. But as the chapter tells, the thief tells us that whenever he gets money, he spends it like he's a very rich man. He spends it on his friends. So I don't think that this explains his behavior in any way. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Students, you have to find out this question. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? You might have met some people like Hari Singh, and can you think and imagine the circumstances? You have to find out the circumstances. You have to think and imagine that why a 15-year-old boy, turn into a thief. चोर क्यों बन जाते हैं लोग? बच्चे छोटी उम्र में चोर बन जाते हैं, criminal बन जाते हैं, murderer बन जाते हैं. Why? There are circumstances you have to think. Where is the story set? It should be set in Jharkhand, UP or Bihar side. Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? See, in UP and Bihar nowadays, English is also spoken. There, they speak good English, but not all of them. And do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? I don't think so because you also know that he was not an educated person. He was not studying at the age of 15. He was an expert thief. So obviously he was not studying in any school. So he was not an educated man or boy. So he cannot speak in English. And Anil also, I don't think so that he speaks with the young boy in English. So no. So student, this was the discussion of question answer. We have discussed the summary of the chapter. Read and find out question answers and textbook question answers. So students, I think this is enough for today, but I want you people to read this chapter again and write the word meanings which are given in the book. Only 5 word meanings are given. Write it in their fair notebook and write the difficult words and their meanings in the rough notebook and do this question answer. Students, Think about it, read and find out. There are 6 questions. You have to do those questions in fair notebook and think about it. Both 2 questions are there. You will do these 2 questions and talk about it. You will write the first 2 questions in your fair notebook. That means think about these 2 questions and talk about it. These 2 questions, 4 and 6 questions of read and find out. Do this in your fair notebook. And this is it for today. Thank you.